A very good morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to the English grammar classes once again. My dear children, in the previous class, we have already started lesson number 3, the sentence. And in today's class, we will start doing our book exercise. Children, we have already learned in our previous classes about the alphabet, letters, words, and the sentence. Today we will revise once again what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. A sentence is a group of words which makes sense. My dear children, a sentence is a group of words which gives us some meaning, which has some sense in it. Then it is a sentence. Let us see with some example. First one, Tony goes to the beach every Sunday. Children, in this line, some group of words are joined together and it is giving us some meaning. It is giving us some information that Tony is a boy and he goes to the beach every Sunday. We can understand what this line wants to say us. So, it is a sentence because it has some sense in it. Second one, the girl is reading a book. Here also some group of words are joined in such a order that it is making some meaning. It is making some sense that the girl is reading a book. So it is also a sentence. So children, when the group of words are joined together in such a order that we can understand what the line wants to say us, when the group of words have some meaning in it, then it is called a sentence. When we speak to someone, we speak in complete sentences. My dear children, whenever we speak to someone, we always speak in full sentence. We never say anything half. We speak in such a way to that someone with whom we are talking can understand our feelings, our emotions, and our thought. So we always speak to someone in complete sentences. But while writing a sentence, we always write with a capital letter and end with a full stop. See, in this example, Tony goes to the beach every Sunday. The first letter T starts with the capital letter, and after Sunday, there is a full stop. It means the sentence always starts with the capital letter and always ends with a full stop. In second line also, the girl is reading a book. The first letter T starts with the capital letter and the sentence is ending with a full stop. It means it is a complete sentence. Some more thing about a sentence is it has a capital letter at the beginning, it has punctuation at the end. It means either full stop. If the sentence is asking some question, then there is a question mark. It has words, group of words are joined together in such a way that it gives us some meaning. So it has words. It has finger spaces. It means then between the words there are spaces. The words are not joined continuously. There is a space between each word. It makes sense. The most important thing of a sentence is that the group of words are joined together in such a way to give us some sense, to make some meaning in it. So then it will be a sentence. Now let's start our book exercise. Before that, once again, a group of words put in an order so as to make complete sense is called a sentence. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. Children, again some examples are given here in the book. First one is fish live in water. See, the group of words are joined together. It is giving us some meaning that fish live in water. We can understand what the group of words want to say us. So it is a sentence. Also, the first letter F starts with the capital letter and the sentence is ending with a full stop. And see, there is a space between each and every word. Between fish, leaf, in, water. There is a space. So it is a complete sentence. Likewise, other examples are also. A week has 7 days. I am a girl. Flowers look beautiful. I have a big house. A mango is a fruit. So, children, in all these examples, the group of words are joined together in such a way that it is giving us some meaning. It is giving us some information. So, it is a sentence. Also, the letters are starting with the capital letter and ending with a full stop. And also there is a space between each and every word. So all of them are complete sentences. Let's move to the first exercise, that is A. Match the following to make meaningful sentences. Children, here the group of words are given. You have to match the correct group of words to make a complete sentence. So let's do it. First one, birds. So birds build nest. This is number one. The sun rises in the east. This is number two. Third, cows eat grass. Three. Fourth one, an elephant is a big animal. Fifth, we are watching TV. So, children, the group of words are matched properly and they are making a complete sentence. Birds build nest. The sun rises in the east. Cows eat grass. An elephant is a big animal. And last fifth one, we are watching TV. Now, next exercise B. Put the words in a proper order to make meaningful sentences. What you have to do here, some group of words are given but it is not put in an order. It is not put in a correct order. So it is not a sentence. What we have to do, we have to put this group of words in a correct order to make it a complete sentence. See, first one is done for English like I. So, after arranging it in a correct order, it will become I like English. Also, the first letter starts with a capital letter and it is ending with a full stop, making it a complete sentence. Second one, let's do the second one. Country India, my is. So, after arranging this group of words in a correct order, it will become India is my country. Let's do it. India is my country, then full stop. See, India is my country. It is giving us information. It is a meaningful sentence. Third one, baby the crying is. Let's arrange it in a proper order. The baby is crying. See, first word, first letter I am writing with the capital letter. The baby is crying. After writing the sentence, let's put a full stop here. Then it will become a complete sentence. So, children, likewise, you have to do the other questions. The baby is crying. Then, fourth one, parrot cage, the is the in. Let's arrange it in a proper order. The parrot is in the cage. Fifth one, Manish, good boy is a. Manish is a good boy. Sixth one, city big is Mumbai a. Mumbai is a big city. Seventh one, sing I can. I can sing. Eighth, ringing is the bell. So the bell is ringing. Ninth one, hot is today it. So let's arrange it. It is hot today. Don't forget to put the full stop after ending of the sentence. 10th one. Teacher my Sheila is. So Sheila is my teacher. Sheila is my teacher is the complete sentence. Now let's do the C. Complete the sentences about the pictures. Children, what you have to do? You have to see the picture and you have to write what is happening in the picture, what is given in the picture in this blank space given. And you have to put the full stop after the completion of the sentence. So let's do it. In the first picture, what is the baby doing? The baby is sleeping. So let's do it. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. The sentence is complete. No, it is not complete. Let's put the full stop. Now the sentence is complete. The baby is sleeping. He is doctor. Then full stop. Now the sentence is complete. He is doctor. Third one. The hen is with chicks. Full stop. The hen is with chicks. Then the peacock is dancing. Peacock is dancing. The cat is drinking. Full stop. Last one. The children are playing. Full stop. See, the baby is sleeping. Full stop. The first letter starts with a capital letter. It is ending with a full stop. It is a complete sentence. Second one, he is doctor. Third, the hen is with chicks. Fourth one, the peacock is dancing. Fifth, the cat is drinking. And the last one, the children are playing. So children, likewise, you have to do your book exercise. Now there is a homework for you all. You have to do this in your English copy. What you have to do? See, arrange the following group of words to make complete sense. Children, we have already done this type of question here. Same question. You have to arrange this group of words in a correct order and making it a complete sentence. Also write the first letter in a capital letter and at the end of the sentence, don't forget to put the full stop. See, the first one is flower beautiful a rose the is. So you have to, these words are not put in an order. You have to put in a correct order and make it a perfect sentence. Second one, dog a pet is animal. Third, dancing peacock the is. Fourth one, umbrella pretty my is very. Fifth one, Anya friend best my is. Sixth one, doing Sohan homework is his. So children, do this homework in your English copy and when the school will reopen, I will check all your homework. Till then, take care. Thank you.